What's going on, my YouTube family? Mr. Breakfast right here with another video. Today's video, we'll be going over some of the electronic goodies I got for Christmas. As you can see, this is a jump starter power bank, which can jump your car. Also can charge your electronics. Has a flashlight on it, output right there, power button right there. This is a great product. I could definitely tell you that. I had let my car, one of my cars that I really don't drive, I let it sit up for a couple of months. I went to go test this out on it, and I actually started it up. So this one is a great product right here. It's a car mount holder that the kids got me. Vacuum cleaner, also Cobb access port for the Subaru that my wife got me. She got me the power bank thing too also. So kids got me a car mount vacuum cleaner. My youngest daughter made me some paper squishies, which I'll post a video of that as well. But let's get into this. Now this is the power bank, as you see the box. Let's go over the back part. These things you can do with it. Red battery, white. Okay, so let's get it open. Sorry guys, I'm doing this in one hand. So this is the power mount. This is the, this is the battery charger right here. This is your accessories right there. I ain't gonna take them all out, but I'll definitely say the charger right there for you comes in a little case. Keep that. So, let's see what else I can get up the line. This is the vacuum cleaner right here. As you can see, it's great for the car. Sucking all your little vents, all your little tight spots. So I thought that was cool for the kids to give me that. I could definitely use it for the car. Let's see if I can get this out of here right here. So this is the vacuum cleaner puppy right here. Cool. This is the vacuum cleaner right here. This is what I take out of here. Oh yeah, pretty cool. That's what it looks like. Mine comes in white, of course. The power button. Probably gotta charge it up or something. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, sweet. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, we got the vacuum cleaner right there. Like it has a few accessories up in there as well. Power case. Let's see if we can get this over. There. Oops, let's get this open. My bad. Okay. Get the car mount open. Oh, cool. Pretty cool car mount. So you can hook this into the car. Looks cool. There's another accessories right there. I ain't gonna take all the stuff out right now. But that's the car mounted right there. Like you have something that locks back to your probably your vents or something. But anyway, that's cool. I'll get that installed a little later. Now this is It's a Cobb access port. So go for AP3, that means version 3. This is the start port itself right here. Now what this does, it's kind of like a tuner. I would definitely say for your car, you can set up different tunes. You can monitor things on it. Has all your safety code features, like all your engine codes and stuff, all that on there. A whole bunch of different features on this. This is definitely a must-have if you want to start tuning and getting more performance out your Subaru, which this does. In a later video I'll go into it more, but right now this is basically just quick tuning. It sits up in your car. I'll put some pictures of it later, and I'll do a more in-depth review when I install it on the car, so you guys will see how it looks when it's on and everything. But other than that, guys, peace. I'm out. This is some of the goodies I got over the Christmas break.